welcome back to RJ Fishing. Today we're going to try to catch the mighty Melbourne black bream. Tune in, stay along to see what we catch here in the Yarra River.
Welcome back. We are back. We have not been anywhere. We're down here at your favourite location, everybody. Right here in the heart of the Yarra. Ronan, take us through what we're doing today, mate.
Today we're using some live crabs to get onto a few bream. Now, taking these is a bit of effort. You really got to dig through that soil, that gravel, that sand to find the crabs. Lifting up those rocks, usually they're perched underneath them. But you know, it can take a bit of time, but the results are overwhelmingly worth it. So wish us luck, and we'll see you later. Rightio guys, we found our container here. A few crabs. That's about the size you're after. Fit nicely on that small hook for a small bream. Yeah, we found this purple container just on the floor. So that's what we're going to use to store them. You can usually just find a container, you don't have to bring your own. That's what we've been doing, it seems to work. And look at them. They just love it. Anyway guys, we'll catch you later. Yep. Oh, you're kidding me. Don't let him bust you. Oh, that's a good one, mate. Oh, don't let him get you.
There we go, guys. Beautiful southern black bream. Hopefully we can get him up for you. Whilst Ronan gets the net.
I don't have a net.
Doesn't have the net.
So you just grab him?
Yeah, just grab him. There we go, guys. Beautiful bream. Has he eaten the... Swallowed it?
Swallowed it.
Okay.
There's the first bream of the session.
Beautiful.
Justin.
Righty, time to get back in. 5th cast of the day. We're gonna just chop one. And we've... No, shit cast. Right back in that hole.
Oh, you got it. You too.
Bugger.
Bastard.
Ronan is on. That's a good one.
That is very good.
Oh. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh, that is a chunky fish. That is a chonk. Do you want me to get the net or something?
Maybe get the net this one.
Alrighty. That's a chonk. Just fight him for a bit.
Thanks, mate. Legend.
Try not. Did you say you had a measure?
Yeah, I do. Do you want to measure it?
I reckon. Gee, he's got some big teeth. Let's try not get him tangled. How good is that? Yarra River chunk bream.
Oh, that's cool. Look at the release. Oh, it just came out then.
Oh, bang.
Alright. See you later, mate.
Go on. Good stuff, mate. Oh shit. Yep, there's another.
Oh.
Gee, that didn't sound too good. Oh, this is a chunk.
Holy fuck.
Oh.
Holy shit.
He's wrapped around that pylon. Oh, he's... Oh. Oh. This is a thumper. Oh. He's wrapped around that.
Oh, you can get him out. Oh, I see him.
Oh no.
Sorry.
That's all right. Get him in. Yes. Nice. Well done.
Sorry, mate.
No, that's all right. That was a
Lost
difficult
him.
net job. There's another thump right at my feet. Should we get a measure on that? Or was that?
No, I think that's the same size. Fuck, that is good.
It's actually a great fish.
Look at the belly on him.
I know. Look at the head on him.
Is he hooked deep?
No.
Oh, good.
It just popped out. I'll keep it in so he doesn't.
Just in case the unthinkable.
Yeah, that's right.
The unthinkable occurred. Oh well.
Good fish there, guys.
Premature release,
That's right.
as they say. Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, what's this? Snagged, I reckon. Snagged. I reckon one wrap me. Crab at dawn.
Sun's about to set soon anyway.
Yeah, beautiful.
We'll do some more casts there.